Hello, Namaste, welcome to my channel. I am Ojaswini. You are watching this video on OJ7, and in today's video, I'm gonna try and solve. I don't know if I'm gonna succeed though, but I'm gonna try and work upon a little problem which I have always faced in terms of my skin, and I'm sure many people out there, or maybe you or somebody that you know, has been struggling with this issue. It is whiteheads and blackheads. So I noticed a couple of days ago that, dude, you really need to do something about it. And obviously, I started looking for something on YouTube because it's the most famous millennial teacher. So I came across one video by Prachi. Her channel is called Superboss Style. It has around 83 lakh views on it. It's about blackhead or whitehead removal. So I was like, okay, this is massive. And so she in her video has shown a 3-step procedure to get rid of your blackheads or your whiteheads, and I'm gonna try and do all of those in front of you, and I'll put a before picture and I'll put a after picture, because through this lighting you're not gonna be able to figure out if there's a difference. And this is one issue that I already have with the video, because she did not put any before after image or a closer image to her nose or her chin through which we can see if it actually works. It's just her face from a distance in front of the camera before having tried the procedure, after having tried the procedure. So you can't really make it out if it does make a difference. I'm gonna try and fix that for you. We will see how it goes. Okay, we will see how it goes. Okay, so the first step involves the usage of salt and toothpaste together. So you're gonna take a little bit of toothpaste, a pinch of salt, you're gonna mix both of them, and she has advised that you take a very old toothbrush and you rub it, and you rub this mixture on your skin for around 2 minutes. So I have placed everything over here which I'm gonna need, and I've taken the most old, like an ancient brush, because I definitely don't want to hurt my nose or my skin to get rid of my blackheads by using a hard brush. So this is like ancient. Okay, this is ancient. I suggest you do the same. I'm gonna quickly mix both of these things together, which is a pinch of salt with some toothpaste. I've taken Pepsodent. She did not suggest any specific toothpaste, and I'm sure you can take whatever toothpaste you want. I do not know if using toothpaste and salt is good for your skin too, but there are so many people who have watched this video, and I'm sure so many people must have tried it, and so many people are going to try it. So somebody had to find out if it's worth it, and we will try to do it today. So this is my mixture. I'm gonna apply it on my nose. Like, I obviously have to take a mirror. I have to stop like a joker in the middle, but I do not have anything on my face right now. I just washed my face. I put on some lipstick. That's it. This is my actual skin. No foundation. I did not even moisturize, to be honest, because I don't want my skin to get greasy, and then the more greasy your skin gets, the harder it is for the blackheads or the whiteheads to come out. So that's why I did not even moisturize my face. Okay, so I'm done with the 2 minutes of scrubbing. It's made, as you can see, it has basically made me a clown. My nose is all red right now. It's not hurting, but my eyes got a little watery, but it's not really like painful or anything. I'm gonna quickly wash this off, and we are going to switch to the second step.
Okay, so for the second step, I was supposed to take a piece of a cloth. I took a piece of muslin cloth. I was supposed to dip it into some warm water, then apply it onto my nose and leave it on for 15 seconds. I was supposed to repeat the same procedure 2 more times. That means you have to do it for 3 times in total. This procedure basically helps your pores to get opened. So I, as you can see, did all of that.
Okay, so I'm doing this for the last time now. After this, okay, blocking my nose. After this, we have to move on to our third step. Wow, artsy. After this, we have to move on to the third step, the third step involves mixing multani mitti, which is called fuller's earth in English, with some curd, which is dahi. You can also use unflavored yogurt if you have that. Mixing that into a paste and then applying it on your face. So we are gonna move on to the third step now. Okay, so I've done the third step, which required me to apply a mixture of multani mitti with some curd on my nose. And we are supposed to leave this on for around 10 minutes. And after that, we have to wash our face with ice cold water. You can even apply ice, as she suggests, after removing this face pack sort of a thing from your nose. So yeah, I'm gonna keep this on for 10 minutes and we'll see what happens. You have seen the before after image, and as you can see, there's not much of a difference. I mean, the blackheads might have reduced slightly, but the whiteheads are like stubbornly still there, as firmly as they were. So I don't know, man. I don't see, if I'm touching my skin, it definitely feels a lot more smoother, but that's probably because the dead skin cells must have been removed. The whiteheads are still there, like you can see it in the image. So I don't think that this actually works as it claims to work. And I don't think I would take the risk of applying toothpaste and salt on my skin just to make it more smooth, because it barely does anything for the whiteheads and the blackheads. So I don't think this method really works as much as it claims to work. Also, personally, I don't have anything against her content, her channel. I have been helped a lot from a lot of her videos. She does a really good job, but I wanted to try this remedy on myself and it clearly did not work upon me, and I can't lie about it, right? So this is my honest opinion about this remedy. Else, I will try and figure out something else which can help me with my whiteheads. If you have any suggestions that actually work, leave them on the comments below. So I'm ending this video now. Stay healthy and happy at home. Thank you for watching. Bye.